Hey, what's new, YouTube? Sway JTV here with a brand new video, and today we gonna be going back to the Monkey app. Hey, y'all went crazy on that last video, man, that I did on Monkey, and I actually enjoyed doing it. So why not go back and do another Monkey segment? You know what I'm saying? I got the headphones right here, and without further ado, let's get right into this. But wait. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe down below, leave a like and leave a comment, and you already know what to do, man. I already know the waves looking right. Let me know the waves looking right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I ain't put a do-rag on. You know, these girls still think I look young. I do look pretty young. I look like 16, 15. I do look a little young right now. But hey, we're gonna get right into this video. It's off the bat, man. Hello? Hello? Oh, why y'all got all that trash in the back? What, y'all having a party?
Shut up!
Yeah, I'm skipping. Hello?
What's up? What's life?
Yo, what's poppin', bro? I got a question for you.
Alright.
You seen the Lakers play the Heat?
Yeah, they won.
Yeah, are you a Lakers fan?
Nah.
You not? You a LeBron fan? You like LeBron?
I'm not.
Oh, you're not. So you're not anybody fan. What's your favorite team, bro?
I don't got a favorite team.
All right, who's your favorite player, bro?
Curry.
You said who?
Curry.
Curry?
Pot been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot. Been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot. Been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy.
I don't know. It's either for me. I don't even think he better than Caruso, bro. Like, I don't think he's better than Caruso, bro. That nigga, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Caruso cold. I don't know.
All he can do is play defense.
Who, Caruso?
Yeah, and dunk.
I don't even think Curry over KCP, bro. I'm just keeping it a buck. He not even over his brother, bro. He not over his brother.
Stop capping.
His brother about to be the next Luka.
Stop capping.
Bro, my favorite team, the Detroit Pistons, bro. Bro, we about to get, bro. I'm telling you, this off season, bro. We about to get Giannis, LeBron, and AD in one off season.
How that's possible? That's not possible.
In one off season, bro. All them niggas in one off season.
Real, what's your favorite team?
Oh, you want me to be for real? All right, I'm gonna be for real. My favorite team is OKC. Hello? What you doing? Oh, you not saying shit? Got you. Yo, bro, you a LeBron fan?
Huh?
You a LeBron fan, bro?
You said what?
You like LeBron?
Yeah.
That's your favorite player? Dang, that's tough, cause you wanna know who my favorite player is?
Yeah.
Fucking Andre Iguodala. Oh,
Washington.
hello?
Hello.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, and you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. I got one question for y'all. You listening?
Yeah.
Alright, so based off looks, am I cute enough to be y'all boyfriend? Or
What?
Oh, don't be mean right now.
Oh, what?
oh,
She has a boyfriend.
And you.
do you have a boyfriend?
I have a boyfriend. She's single.
Wait, how old is she?
15. We're 15. We're twins.
Y'all both 15.
Yeah, we're twins.
So based on looks, you know what I'm saying? Am I cute enough to be your boyfriend, or you got a boyfriend?
I have one.
You have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
Dang. How long you had that problem for?
For like 2-3 months.
2-3 months. Dang, y'all just starting out. Man, if it was like 2-3 years, I would. But y'all just starting out, so I mean, hopefully y'all have a good relationship. Good luck with that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Yo, bro.
What's up?
Yo, I got a question for you, bro. You watched the finals?
Finals, yeah.
LeBron, your favorite player?
Hell no.
Who your favorite player, bro?
I like, what's his name? D Rose.
D Rose?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. Don't he play on Minnesota, right?
No, he got traded to the Pistons.
Oh yeah. Dang, that's crazy. I forgot all about D Rose, man. He a no name. He suck. But yeah, my favorite player, Caruso.
Oh, Caruso. Yeah, Caruso be on that. He be on that rim. He
Yeah, I
dunk
know.
on
I think
anything.
my favorite player would do your favorite player. Bro, imagine, bro. Prime D Rose versus Alex Caruso right now. Who winning?
Prime D Rose.
You dumb.
Nah.
You dumb.
Nope.
Nah, bro. You dumb. Bro, Caruso, all Caruso gotta do is karate chop his knee, then he go. Yo, what, yo? Man, I know what to say. Hey, stay pulling the gate. Hey.
What the fuck?
Hello? Hello?
What the fuck was that?
I get some attention from you. There we go. All right, that's better. So I got one question for you. Right, based on my looks, you know what I'm saying? Do I look pretty good? I look pretty good, right? I'm pretty. Oh, why you get so close to the cam? Yeah, why you so close? But do I look pretty good?
Yeah.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10, like
A 9.
a 9. Thank you. But am I cute enough to be your boyfriend? What, you got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
You do? Oh, you capping. How long y'all been together?
A week.
A week? Bro, that ain't no boyfriend. Yo, how old are you? You 15? Damn. You wanna know how old I am?
19.
I'm only 10 years old, but you know, I mean, we can make it work. You know what I'm saying? 10 and 15. Only 5 years. Only 5 years. You know. Yo, she look crazy, yo.
Like, I keep seeing white people, not you, but like.
So, what's wrong with white people?
Just don't like them. But anyways,
Anyways,
I
what?
hate black people. Anyways, what I was gonna say?
I don't know. What are you gonna say?
None.
How old? You look young. How old are you?
I need it because of this fucking shit. Anyways, I'm a child though.
A child.
It's a good thing. But what's your name?
What's my name, Jordan?
I don't care. How was your day?
You don't care. You don't care about my name.
Good. How was your day?
Funny.
How was your
You
day?
funny.
How was your day?
I mean, my day was pretty good.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you. Oh, you funny, huh?
What else I was gonna say? Shit, nothing. What else? How old are you?
How old am I? I don't know. Fucking.
Stop playing dumb, nigga. You know how old you is.
I don't even know. I forgot. Shit, I ain't have a
That's
birthday
it.
since.
That's depressing. Don't nobody care. Anyways,
I ain't had a birthday since like 5 years ago.
bitch, you counted
My
to,
birthday on a
you
my
counted
birthday
10.
on a leap year.
You counted
My birthday
10 and got
on my birthday on a
counted
leap
10
year.
and got
My
five.
birthday on a
How
leap
did
year. So technically, right now, I'm like 4 years old. No cap.
You done?
Nah, I'm not done. Are you done?
You done?
Bro, how old is you, bro?
How old are you?
Why? I can't say that.
Question,
I
dumbass.
can't say that.
Why you can't say that?
Cause
Because what?
I'm too old for you.
Bitch, I was never gonna. Don't do that.
Don't do what?
Don't do that.
Don't do what? You ugly anyway.
Don't do
I don't
that.
even like you. And you stink. I can smell you through the screen. Hello?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Mariah.
Mariah?
Yep.
Oh, that's a nice name.
Thank you.
I'm saying I got a question for you though.
Okay.
Can you rate me on a scale of 1 through 10?
Like an 8.
8? So basically what you're saying is I'm an 8, so I'm cute enough to be your boyfriend?
I don't know.
You don't know. How old are you?
17.
Oh, you 17. No, that's my age. You know what I'm saying? I'm 17 too. Where are you from?
Chicago.
Oh, you from Chirac. You like it over there? Chicago actually nice. I actually been there before. Chicago nice.
Yeah, it's okay.
But you moved there or you always lived there?
I've always lived here.
Alright. That's what's up. That's what's up. You got Instagram or something?
Yeah, I do.
What's your IG? You seem a little shy. You shy?
No.
Why you only show your eye? Why you only show your eye?
Because.
Oh. But you got IG?
I do.
You trying to slide it over? No.
Yeah, not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
Why you say that? Oh, yo. Oh,